Okay, so Jana, how are you? I'm good. Good. You wanted a video, so guess I'm gonna tell you the story about tonight. Okay, so I'm sitting here and Kristen says, Crystal, why don't you go and get in the kitty tent? So I'm like, And I pondered. And then I thought, why don't I go get on the kitty tent? So I did. Got on the kitty tent, and it started to got on it. And then Kristen sits on the tent. So, anything Kristen on the person, but oh, please. And then I kind of fell backwards. That's good, doesn't it? Not much is going on. I mean, Spirit and going out with stuff. But, my hair's growing out. Things are already gone. Going to Philadelphia over the summer. June, Hawthorne Heights, and Marie, and Dylan are all coming. The 19th of February, the kids, me, Megaplex, and Dylan. Can't wait for spring break, You might be coming. It's awesome because I want to give you some fun, I don't know. There's not really much going on. Like I said, recently, I want this stuff. Oh, Kristen bought me this. It's cute. And I hurt myself when I just scored the gross. But, here. What's your phone? Still can't look. Let me do some. Okay. I love Jana Lowe. Lots and lots. LOL. Bariga. You make my crotch lube up. Rob the two results. Someone get a real. I'm a geek. So, look how that. That's that, girl. That is that. Let's see. Here's my shower. It's broken. See? got a cool froggy. He's my friend. Y'all kiss him. Hey, that's my sister. Oh, you want to see Baby Crib? Okay. Come on, into my room. You've never seen my room before. It'll be interesting. My room. Blue. Green ceilings. Pretty clean. But here's what's really cool. Oh yeah, looks familiar. Yeah, really trashy. Small bed. Calendar. My closet. Workstation. Here's the crib. It's got all my search stuff in it, but it's the crib, and it's where Caleb Matthews is gonna go in, and he's my favorite realtor baby. And here's the rocker that moves. I thought it goes like that. Oh dude, this thing's fun to watch, so just watch. Okay, I messed up. Supposed to be Mary Had a Little Lamb. Here, I'll try it again. That's what we're gonna do in our band. We're gonna be like, oh. And we're gonna get to do this. Be crazy, girl. Be crazy. Here's my clouds. It's actually clouds, but you can't see it very well. That's it. I don't know what else to tell you, girl. Peace out. A-Town down. West side. Midwest. I can't do it with this hand. Midwest. Yeah. I'm a gangster. My cool pimp daddy. Yeah. Oh, and you remember my glasses? Well, they broke. So comes out though. Like, yo, gangster. Oops.